So we've shown HubOEM to a lot of equipment manufacturers. And if they don't absolutely love it right out of the gate, they usually have one of two objections. The first is that their machinery is custom built to order, and each machine is unique. Or secondly, they just don't feel like they have the bandwidth to take on a new software implementation project. Maybe they've got just too much build work in front of them. They're implementing a new ERP, they're taking on a lot of other tasks, and this just seems like a daunting thing in the face of all that other work. Well, to both of those, I can respond with a single answer. If you are designing your equipment in a 3D CAD software program like Inventor or Autodesk, you're really already doing 95% of the work it takes to stand up HubOEM. So here you can see we have the ability to upload a 3D file. We can take an entire assembly from an export out of SolidWorks, Inventor, or any of the other major 3D solid modeling software packages. You can pull them into this application, and we can then generate documents for a 3D model. All of these are individual parts that get generated from pulling in a 3D model. And the cool thing about it is it doesn't just take the part information, it can also pull in price information, it can pull in information about the material that's in place, it can pull in information about who the original vendor is, the warranty information, anything like that that you are already putting in place on your SolidWorks design. So to add to that, then we can actually render the part as part of a full assembly in a 3D rotatable view. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can spin it around. We can explode it to see how the pieces fit together. We can isolate individual parts to get a view from different angles. We can look at the hierarchy of the entire assembly, see how different pieces fit within the assembly. We can get property information there, who made the changes, all that great stuff that's already being done when you do the design engineering work can be pulled directly into the customer service platform of HubOEM simply by exporting and importing a file. And this is great because it saves a ton of time. It creates a better user experience for your customers. They can find information this way that maybe it would be harder to tell by looking at a 2D printed user manual. Say you have a left-handed version or a right-handed version of a part and they don't know which one they need. Now they can rotate it around, see it from different angles, see how pieces fit together. All of this makes your customer not have to pick up the phone and call and ask questions or send 5 or 10 emails to make sure they're buying the right thing. They can look at where it is on the machine, look at it where it is in the model, add it to cart. Everybody saves time. Everybody's happy.